Hello, everyone. As students, you navigate a world of deadlines, new experiences, and constant learning. It's a thrilling journey, but it often comes with challenges like disrupted sleep, overwhelming stress, and drained energy. You are not alone in feeling this way. These three pillars of well-being are deeply interconnected. When one falters, the others often follow suit. Today, we're going to explore practical, empathetic strategies to help you regain control and thrive. Think of sleep, stress, and energy as a delicate ecosystem within your body. Poor sleep can heighten stress, making it harder to focus and depleting your energy reserves. High stress, in turn, can disrupt sleep patterns and leave you feeling constantly exhausted. This cycle can feel overwhelming, but the good news is that by addressing one area, you can positively impact the others. We'll break down each component and offer actionable steps you can start taking today. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental biological need, especially for a developing brain. It's during sleep that your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and processes emotions. Prioritizing it is crucial for academic success and overall health. First, aim for consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, known as your circadian rhythm. A consistent schedule signals to your body when it's time to rest. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Block out light with blackout curtains and consider earplugs or a white noise machine if your surroundings are noisy. A comfortable temperature is also key for restful sleep. Establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine. About an hour before bed, start winding down. This could involve reading a physical book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Avoid stimulating activities like intense exercise or studying right before sleep. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that signals sleep. Try to put devices away at least 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. This allows your brain to properly prepare for rest. Be mindful of what you consume. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. While alcohol might initially make you feel drowsy, it often disrupts sleep later in the night. Opt for a light, easily digestible snack if you're truly hungry before bed. Stress is a natural response to demands, but chronic stress can be debilitating. As students, you face unique pressures from academic performance to social expectations. Learning to manage stress effectively is a vital life skill. Start by identifying your stressors. What specific situations or thoughts trigger feelings of overwhelm? Understanding your triggers is the first step toward developing coping strategies. Keep a journal to notice patterns. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Even a few minutes of focused breathing can calm your nervous system. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple technique can be done anywhere, anytime. Develop effective time management skills. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps can reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Use planners or digital tools to organize your schedule and prioritize your responsibilities. This helps create a sense of control. Learn to say no. It's okay to decline extra commitments if your plate is already full. Protecting your time and energy is essential for preventing burnout. Recognize your limits and communicate them respectfully. Build a strong support system. Talk to trusted friends, family members, or mentors about what you're experiencing. Sharing your feelings can provide perspective and reduce feelings of isolation. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever, releasing endorphins that have mood-boosting effects. Even a short walk can make a significant difference in your stress levels. Find an activity you enjoy. Feeling constantly drained can impact every aspect of your student life. Low energy often stems from a combination of poor sleep, high stress, and inadequate nutrition. Let's explore how to refuel your body and mind. Prioritize balanced nutrition. Your brain and body need consistent fuel to function optimally. Aim for regular meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid skipping meals, as this can lead to energy crashes. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Dehydration can manifest as fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Keep a water bottle handy and sip regularly. Water is essential for nearly every bodily function, including energy production. Incorporate movement into your day. You don't need to hit the gym for an hour to feel more energized. Short bursts of activity, like stretching between classes or taking the stairs, can significantly boost your alertness. Movement increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain. Take regular breaks. Your brain isn't designed to focus intensely for hours on end. Step away from your work every 60 to 90 minutes, even if just for 5 minutes. Use this time to stretch, walk around, or simply rest your eyes. These micro breaks prevent mental fatigue. Get some natural light exposure. Sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm and can boost your mood and energy levels. Try to spend some time outdoors each day, especially in the morning. Even a short walk can make a difference. Limit excessive caffeine and sugar. While they offer a temporary boost, they often lead to an inevitable crash. Relying on these for energy can disrupt your natural energy cycles. Focus on sustainable energy sources like whole foods and good sleep. Remember, these 3 areas are not isolated. When you improve your sleep, you'll likely find yourself better equipped to handle stress, leading to more consistent energy. When you manage stress, your sleep quality often improves, and you feel more energized. Start with one small change in any of these areas. Perhaps it's committing to a consistent bedtime, trying a 5-minute breathing exercise, or ensuring you drink more water. Small, consistent steps lead to significant, lasting improvements. Be patient and kind to yourself throughout this process. There will be days when you slip up, and that's perfectly normal. The goal is progress, not perfection. Celebrate your small victories and learn from your setbacks. You have the power to cultivate a healthier, more energized, and less stressed student life. By focusing on these foundational elements, you're not just improving your well-being, you're investing in your academic success and your future. You've got this.